The political waka for Edo State don't take another turn on Tuesday as Hon Nicholas Asonsere, wey dey represent Ikpoba-Okha for Edo State House of Assembly, carry join body with all im supporters pot from People's Democratic Party (PDP) enter All Progressive Congress (APC).
By the power conferred on me as the state chairman of APC Edo State and the best APC chairman in Nigeria. I welcome our brother, my brother, our political ally, Nicholas Asonsere, into the APC family and the Progressive family today. You and your wife are welcome to the party. This broom is a symbol of our togetherness. It's a symbol of sweeping every other thing remaining, all the stains in Ikpoba-Okha. And I know that you have everything. I know you have all the support because in your election you won overwhelmingly. So all those your supporters, give this group to them and bring all of them to the party. You are welcome.
The APC state chair Emperor Jared Tenebe welcome Asonsere come the party and come talk say this movement na clear sign say PDP dey for Yakata. E come talk say today na turning point for Edo politics as Honorable Asonsere don comot for PDP, dem don lose one of their big political voices, say the man na political pikin of two PDP big men wey be Barrister Osarodion Oge and Honorable Matthew Idoyekeme, say wetin come remain to show say PDP don scatter. Oga Tenebe come still talk say na sake of wetin Senator Monday Okpebholo government don achieve make people dey rush come APC. E come call the APC government magnet wey dey pull change and progress. E come stay here and say APC dey welcome lawmakers like Honorable Asonsere wey believe for their progressive plans and say dem go always open door for anybody wey wan join and dem go give them better political ground to work.
Today mark another watershed moment in the political history of Edo State. A fresh tsunami tagged Hurricane Akpakomiza has hit the PDP, shaking its foundation once again. With the cross-carpeting of Honorable Nicholas Asonsere, the representative of Ikpoba-Okha State constituency in Edo State House of Assembly, the PDP has lost one of its most influential voices. This is not just any defection. It is the departure of a political son of two of the PDP leading figures in Edo South. The deputy governorship candidate of PDP in the last election, Barrister Osarodion Oge, and the campaign director general, Honorable Matthew Idoyekeme, my very good friend. What clearer sign do we need that the PDP is collapsing under the weight of its own failures? The unprecedented development strides of the Okpebholo-led government has become a reference point, drawing unimaginable droves from the PDP. The people of Edo State, and especially the APC family, salute the courage and boldness of PDP lawmakers who have invoked the relevant provision of the 1999 Constitution as amended to join hands with our progressive government in facilitating the rise of a new Edo State. The cross-carpeting of Honorable Nicholas Asonsere epitomizes the march towards sending the PDP into political oblivion in Edo State. He has a key voice that once gave relevance to the PDP in their 8 days. Today, he has chosen to align with the future. We thank him for his resolve and determination to join our dynamic governor in making Edo the envy of all. The APC uses this medium to assure the people of Edo State that the positive political environment they have long yearned for is finally here. And it is here to stay now that Senator Hon Okpebholo occupies the driver's seat. Let me also reiterate the governor's position. The olive branch extended to the opposition is real. The development of Edo State requires the cooperation and collaboration of all. To our brother, Nicholas Asonsere, welcome home. The APC assures you of full support and enabling environment to further your political aspiration.
Honorable Nicholas Asonsere, for im part, come talk say na sake of the better work wey Senator Okpebholo dey do for a constituency and across Edo State make am decide to join APC. A constituent talk say,
APC, I know that a lot of people will teach up like this, so I might not sleep tonight. This decision was very hard and difficult for me to take. But there was one man that said, when I was a child, I listened like a child. When I was a boy, I listened like a boy. Now that I'm a man, I listen like a man. Therefore, it is pertinent that a laborer deserves his wages. There's an adage that says in Benin, a certain layman, that means to say, if you are in a harem and the first wife prepares a very sweet dish for the husband, instead of the husband to come at night to say thank you my wife, go to the other woman. Mommy, state woman leader. Will you be happy? Will you be happy? However, I'm here on self-conviction. That was what I told the governor last night. It was me that called that I want to join them. Somebody cannot be developing my immediate constituency, or rather my constituency, bringing flower over there, and I'll be on the left side where it's on the right hand side. It means I'm not ready to develop the people I'm representing. So I need to join my hands to encourage, to speak out to our people so that we give him a rousing support to enable him finish what he has started in my constituency. It's only somebody that speaks for only himself, but my primary motive and aim, that was why I tag my defection as self-conviction. That is because of this developmental stride that the governor is doing within the shortest time he has been in office, has convinced me to say, let us join to make sure that we take the state forward. And my vibrant colleagues in the house, I also want them not to begin to see me as a cog in the wheel of progress. Let us begin to push, encourage, channel the way forward for the state. For the interest of the state, I decided to join this.
Edo House Majority Leader Honorable Jonathan Ihamawu also had in voice as he yarn say he happy well as Honorable Asonsere enter APC and say the party for assembly don't strong pass before.
On behalf of my colleagues here, I want to tell all of you thank you for coming here to join us in welcoming to our party Honorable Asonsere. Asonsere to us, we are so excited. To us, this is a very critical person in the Edo State House of Assembly. see, when he was coming today, we decided to escort him here, all of us. We said we will not go there alone. We will go together with you, so we all came here as a team. We know with Honorable Asonsere with us now, there's no more PDP in Edo State. Anyone that is not there is a revenue. Asonsere is both day and night. He's the leader of the W and W. So why do we have any reason to be afraid anymore? We don't have any reason. Why some of us are sleeping? Asonsere will be doing the work and life for us. So we are so excited. We are amazed. And we promise our party that we work as a team, united body in the house, to see that the vision, the mission of His Excellency is carried to fruition. So that at the end of the day, they will say, yes, this is a government of capacity, and the results are being seen. The governor has not spent 1 year in office. He has not even spent 6 months, but we are seeing his presence everywhere. And I know by God's grace, when he's 1 year in office, then people will say, how do you not compare this government? This man of 1 year, how can you compare it to 8 years? People are already saying, so where is this man getting money to work? But I can tell everybody, the cooperation the government needs from the house, he will always get it from us. We have gotten what we need. That's why I said, that's the remaining ones there. They are just there, that's the truth. So I thank all of you. By God, we must start celebrating when we live there. Thank you. I don't
For in talk with Tori people, Honorable Nicholas Asonsere come talk say na him by himself decide to join All Progressive Congress, say nobody force am. Say wetin push am na the way the governor dey do better work and developmental projects for im constituency. Meanwhile, Comrade Edo APC, wey be the leader for Ikpoba-Okha, plus the APC State Publicity Secretary Barrister Peter Ikpoba-Okha, come here and say belle sweet dem wella to welcome Honorable Nicholas enter the party, say the fact say he join APC na big plus to the party power and game plan as 2027 election dey near. Barrister Ikpoba-Okha come add say the move wey Honorable Nicholas make na sharp and correct one, say as big leaders like am dey join APC, the party dey get better position to win elections. E come still say very soon, APC go turn the oga kpatakpata of all the political parties for the state, and na only them go dey gidigba.
I know today is a history day. For some, it's a sad day, while for some, it's a happy day. For me, it's a happy day. However, the decision was based on self-conviction, just as I said before. I was not forced to do that. One, I want my local government, or rather my constituency, to be developed. And since the governor has started this flyover in my constituency, I need to encourage and stand side by side with him to make sure that the job is completed and no hiccup, and to develop the local government. And other things that will also follow later, most especially human capacity. We also do that, discuss with the governor how to empower our people in different ways and in different system and pattern. That is the simple reason why I decided to join a Progressive Congress.
You can see we are very happy to have Nicholas Asonsere in our midst. He's one of the greatest rivals in Ikpoba-Okha in the years that past election, but today he's with us. So we believe 2027 is going to be a walkover by God's grace. With him, we are okay. Ikpoba-Okha is good to go.
In fact, now one of the people when they drive PDP before for Ikpoba-Okha and indeed Edo State, Honorable Nicholas Asonsere, he don't come join APC this afternoon. We are happy to have him. It shows that PDP is gradually dying in Edo, and in fact, the burial will soon fix it for them, so that they will know that when Okpebholo speaks, the whole state will listen. With what Okpebholo is doing in Edo, I'm sure there will be no need to have another party here to contest with him come 2028. We are grateful for Asonsere for choosing the right path, because the right path is to join the progressives. The progressives are all here, and we are encouraging other persons who have not joined us to come. The door is wide open, and the APC government will turn Edo State into an industrial hub where things are happening for the betterment of the people.
The event end as dem promise say APC go continue to dey united, work for development and carry everybody along. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.